Hi everyone, it's Regina here. I am an online digital business owner and I am on my 11th day of my 90-day Reels challenge. And our talk today is how do I balance this business with my family life? Yoo! Finally, this business has given me the opportunity to cut off my full-time work hours. I used to have two full-time jobs, but not anymore. It was very stressed because of basically my life become just like waking up for work, coming home and trying to get to sleep to get ready to work again. There's basically no life, no family life, and no family time, and no life for me either. No time to really take care of my health as well. I am aging. I actually start being sick and feeling physically sick at the age of 40, and that was a struggle. Being at the age of 40, juggling between two jobs, the stress is just so incapacitating me. It is just amazingly that unbelievable things of actually how now as an online digital business owner, I could not believe how I survived it. I could not believe how I was able to do it, to juggle between two jobs to get ahead of bills, but we could not really able to get ahead of my salary. I'm going to teach you how I do that. So when I was as an online digital business owner, this actually allows me to take a lot of time back in my control. I am now basically scheduling my own full-time work hours here in the comfort of my home. And how do I do that? I love to create video. And amazingly, guys, I can't believe actually how this amazing creativity up inside me that I can actually create a beautiful and exciting, or I can actually create a video. So just the discovery of that skills and the discovery of that passions that inside me is just amazing. And that is how I love this digital business, and I love being an online digital business owner. And that's why I want to share this to you, that this business is life changing, and this business will actually give you the self-satisfaction that you're looking for, because I have found myself in here. I have found who I am in this online business. So what I normally do is just the night before I sleep, I will create a video, and I also schedule that into in pre-schedule it. Many social media platforms has an option that you can pre-schedule your posts. So that's how I do it. And the good thing is, guys, there's for every social media platform, you get to know what you're using. And I create my content out of Canva and CapCut, that I can just download it in my laptop, and then from my laptop, I can then post it in different social media platform. And that is how I save time, and that is how I create my posts. So doing pre-scheduling helps me to balance my life, because now once I pre-schedule all my business pages posts, now the whole day is actually for me to do what really matters to me, to do really being mom, doing cooking, creating, making natural healthy drinks, making kombucha, making fruit juices, or cooking something healthy. So that is how I balance my life. And now as well, in the day when my granddaughter is here and with my husband in here as they're playing around, I have time for them to be present for them. So now I can enjoy the time of being them. I just love to hear the laughter, and I just love to hear how they engage each other's, guys, because those are the life that I have missed during the time that I was working full-time, juggling between two jobs. I have given up being mother. I have missed the birthdays, the precious moments. I have missed the presentation of my children in school when there is a holiday school program. I have missed so much in them. But now, becoming an online digital business, I now have the presence to enjoy with them. So I hope I have given you that hints and give you a clear way of how I do my digital business. And aside from that, in terms of business life, we collaborate with business partners, and I do a lot of live stream, and that is where I also record almost everything and share it in social media, so that you guys can have an idea of what I do as an online digital business owner. We do live stream, we share with each other, and we collaborate. And we also have a Zoom meeting. I also attend with that. And I also join in many groups so that I can support other groups at the same time. This group will also support me. In online digital business owner, as business in social media, it is the engagement and the social networking, the socialization that is so amazing, and it's so worth really enjoyable to experience. So if you're someone looking to start an online business, this is it. Come and join us, partner with us so that you can enjoy this beautiful, amazing group of people, successful people of similar mindset that will help you, lift you up, support you, and guide you into running a successful online business. So join us. Sign in at my website at www.startwithregina.com, and we'll see you again.